In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a section without deleting it in WordPress Elementor plugin. Hide content. We'll start inside your WordPress dashboard. Open the site editor for your home template, so we're working exactly where the section currently appears on your live page. Give the editor a second to load. You should see the page layout in the main canvas with the toolbar at the top. Next, open the list view. This is the panel that shows a layered outline of every block and section on the page. If you don't see it, look for the icon that looks like stacked lines in the top toolbar. List view makes it much easier to select the precise section you want to hide, especially if there are multiple containers or nested blocks. In list view, click the section you want to unpublish. You'll see it highlight in the canvas. If it's nested, expand the parent containers until you reach the correct block. With the section selected, open its options. Depending on your interface, this may be the three-dot menu on the block toolbar or an option in the right-hand sidebar. Choose Hide. You'll get a visibility panel with additional controls. Here, select Omit from published content. This is the key setting. It keeps the section in your editor so you can continue editing or bring it back later, but it removes it from the public version of your site. Nothing is deleted. You're simply excluding it from what visitors see. Click Apply to confirm the change. Now, save your work. Hit Save in the top right corner and confirm any prompts. If your site uses a publishing flow, you may need to click Save again to commit template changes. Then return to your home view and click Save once more to ensure everything is captured. On some WordPress setups, especially hosted ones, you'll also see a Launch button to push changes live. Click Launch, and if prompted again, click Launch a second time to finalize. This step ensures your hidden section is truly omitted on the published site, not just in the editor. That's it. The section remains safely in your template, but visitors won't see it. To bring it back later, return to the same section's options, uncheck Omit from published content, and apply and save again. A quick tip. Clear any caching or use a private window to verify the change on the live site. And if the section includes dynamic widgets or global parts, double-check those don't display elsewhere. You've now hidden content without deleting it, keeping your